Hey, future explorers! Nova here with a crazy challenge for you. Today is not a normal video. Today is Do It With Me. 7 AI experiments, each one in 60 seconds. You will test them with me right now. And there's a secret bonus. Experiment number 8 is in the pinned comment. Only for those who make it to the end. Grab your phone. Open the tabs. We're going to turn you into an AI wizard in the next 10 minutes. Shall we? Timer on. Experiment 1, Enhance Speech. It looks like magic, but you can make any audio sound like professional studio quality in literally 30 seconds. Go to Adobe Podcast Enhance, free. Drag any noisy audio. Fan on, noisy street, wind. Click Enhance. Wait 20 seconds. Boom. The noise disappears. It sounds like you recorded in an acoustic booth. Crystal clear voice, zero interference. The AI was trained on millions of audio clips, learning the difference between human voice and everything that gets in the way. It literally erases unwanted frequencies and reconstructs only what matters, your voice. Now you record an audio with background noise, throw it into Enhance, comment, 1 done, plus the before, after. But wait. The next one turns your phone into an international spy tool. Experiment 2, Live Camera Translator. Imagine pointing the camera at any sign in Japanese and reading it instantly in Portuguese. No typing, no effort. Open Google Translate on your phone. Tap the camera icon. Choose Real Time. Point it at any text, product label, menu, foreign packaging. The magic happens. As you move the camera, the original text vanishes and the translation appears floating on the screen, like augmented reality. OCR, optical character recognition, identifies the letters. Neural AI translates in milliseconds. Then it overlays the result, exactly where the original text was. 3 technologies, working together. Your challenge? Grab an imported product. Translate the label live. Comment, Doc 2 done, plus a photo of the screen. Now comes one that will save you hours of reading every day. Experiment. 3-bullet summary. Want to read a huge article, but only have 30 seconds? AI summarizes everything in 3 killer sentences. Go to ChatGPT or Claude, free version. Paste the URL of any long news piece or article. Type. Summarize in 3 bullets, the most important points. Enter. In 5 seconds, you have the complete essence. 3 sentences. All the critical information. 0 fluff. The AI reads the entire text, identifies central arguments, key data, and the conclusion, and compresses everything, keeping only what truly matters. Like a top teacher taking notes for you. Now, pick an article you saved for later. Summarize it in 3 bullets. Post, 3 done, plus. How much time you saved? Ready for the most impressive one? The next one. Seize your world. Experiment 4. Computer vision AI will look at your desk and tell you exactly what's there, with positions like X-ray. Take a photo of your desk. Open ChatGPT with Vision, GPT-4o in the app. Send the photo and write. List all visible objects with location, left, center, right. AI starts reading the image. Keyboard, center, mug, upper right, notebook, left. Like a 3D scanner, seeing everything you see. Convolutional neural networks were trained with billions of labeled images. They recognize shapes, textures, contexts, and map objects spatially. Basically, AI sees like humans. Challenge: photo of your desk or room. Ask AI to list objects plus positions. Comment 4 done, plus how many objects it got right. If it worked, drop A in the comments. It helps the video reach more people. Now, one that seems to read your mind before you even finish thinking. Experiment 5. Predictive Keyboard. Have you started typing, and the phone finished the sentence exactly the way you were going to write it? That is pure AI predicting your thoughts. Open any messaging app. Start a sentence like, "Tomorrow I will." Look at the automatic suggestions. The AI already offers work, travel, study. Choose one. Keep going. Again, it anticipates the next word. In 4 taps, you wrote a full sentence, almost without typing. Language models, like a mini GPT in your keyboard, analyze billions of sentences and learn patterns. After I will usually comes do, be, go. Statistical probability turned into guesswork. Your test. Write, "Today I feel," and build the entire sentence only with the keyboard suggestions. Post Duck 5 done plus the crazy sentence you got. But the next one will literally change your mood through music. Experiment. 6. Personal DJ want music to focus, relax, work out. AI creates perfect playlists based on your emotional state. Go to Spotify and search for Focus Flow AI or Deep Work 120 BPM. Or ask ChatGPT. Build me a playlist of 10 songs, BPM between 120 140 to train hard. Boom. Custom list. Scientific rhythm to activate your brain in the exact way you need right now. AI analyzes BPM, beats per minute, musical key, track energy, and cross-references it with research on ideal mental states. 60-80 BPM, occur relaxation. 120-140 BPM, occur high performance. Science plus music, occur perfect combo. Now, ask for a playlist for your next moment, harm work, run, meditation. Test it and comment, Rise 6 done, plus sensation. And the last experiment will turn you into a designer in literal 30 seconds. Experiment. 7. Lightning designer need an impactful thumbnail or a post for social media. AI creates it, following all the design rules, in under a minute. Go to Canva with AI or Microsoft Designer, free. Type the prompt. YouTube thumbnail, large text readable on mobile, vibrant background, and theme, futuristic technology. Click Generate. 3 options appear, all with perfect contrast, visual hierarchy, mobile legibility tested. Ready to use. AI was trained on millions of successful designs, learning rules like 4.5.1 contrast, golden ratio spacing, color psychology. It doesn't make it up. It applies validated design principles automatically. Final challenge. Create a thumbnail or post with AI. Download it and show it in the Chi. Comments, Doc 7 done, plus a screenshot of your creation. And now, the secret bonus is waiting for you in the pinned comment. 7 experiments, 60 seconds each. You've just become an AI wizard. Now comes the important part. Comment which one you tested with the hashtag AI in 60s plus number. Example, AI in 60s, 3 done. And vote on the next video. Do you want AI predictions for 2026 or 10 free AI apps nobody knows? Comment predictions or APPS. Oh, don't forget. Bonus number 8 in the pinned comment. It's the most impressive experiment of all. Subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's keep exploring the future together. Nova signing off. But AI keeps working for you. See you in the next experiment. Bonus number 8, instant video captions. Turn on live captions on your phone PC and open a video in English. AI transcribes and translates in real time. Challenge. Write in 2 lines what you learned and tag JARC AI in 60s.